Flu cases in Arkansas have been on a steady rise so far to start 2024.
5 News reporter Parker Abels joins us with more about this, including some counties near record levels. Parker.
Yeah, Alexandra, this year flu cases are higher than they've been in the last several years throughout the state. It has kept quite a few students from class in schools all across 5 country.
Certainly seeing a lot more flu this year than I think I have personally in years prior.
And that's not just Greenwood, where Dr. Upton Siddons practices. He says the entire state has seen increases in both types of flu.
There was an increase, a continued increase in some flu cases that we'd seen compared to last year or the year before. And I think in some ways that lines up with what we've seen at the state level. You know, the state of Arkansas releases weekly surveillance records for a lot of communicable diseases, but especially COVID-19, influenzas A and B, and RSV. And over the last 2 or 3 weeks, we've seen a real spike, especially in these flu-like illnesses.
And the numbers from those weekly records show the percentages of students per county missing school. Sebastian County currently has one of the largest percentages at almost 11%, while Benton County and Crawford County are both above the average at more than 9%. And just under 10% of all emergency visits in the state are due to the flu, with another almost 3% resulting in COVID diagnosis. The majority of these flu cases have been type B. While there isn't a huge difference in symptoms for flu type A and B, luckily for the majority of the state, type B is less severe.
Overall, I think flu B is something we tend to think is a bit less severe. Certainly some of the more severe flu strains we've seen in the last couple decades have been type A flus.
Dr. Siddons says the best way to prevent the flu is, of course, washing your hands frequently and getting your flu vaccine. Vaccines are available through March of this year, and it's never too late to get one. Parker Abels, 5 News.
Thanks, Parker.